to make this side equal to the next. So again, first of all, we have a fraction. That's not a fraction, right? Or at least not written in sines and cosines. This is now, here's the thing. Those are separated by addition and subtraction, right? I don't want my terms to be separated by addition and subtraction. I want just tangent. So a couple things is, I don't know, let's go ahead and look at, why don't we break these up into 1 plus sine of x over cosine of x. And over here, we could rewrite this as 1 plus cosine of x over sine of x. Now, could we combine these as common? Could we combine these to get common denominators? So therefore, I don't have to deal with that anymore? Could we do that? You guys agree? You could add these together. Yes? I mean, it's kind of weird, but if I just multiply by cosine of x over cosine of x and sine of x over sine of x, I now have cosine of x over cosine of x plus sine of x over cosine of x all over sine of x over sine of x plus cosine of x over sine of x. Now, you might look at me and say, Mr. McLogan, that looks so great. Why would you want to do that? Well, again, I want to get rid of the addition signs. Don't you guys agree? You want to get rid of that addition sign. You want to get tangent together. You just want to get to tangent. You don't want addition and subtraction. You don't want those. So let's go ahead and try to combine them. Now, I'm kind of running out of space here, so I'm going to kind of do my work back over here. If I combine these, I get cosine of x plus sine of x all over cosine of x all over sine of x plus cosine of x over sine of x. And oh man, the one thing Mr. McLogan keeps on reminding us is when you have a fraction divided by fraction, you can multiply by the reciprocal. So I multiply by sine of x over sine of x plus cosine of x, sine of x over sine of x plus cosine of x. You got to be kidding me. Wait a minute. Yeah, sine of x over cosine of x. You don't need to write down the last one. If you write that as sine of x over cosine of x equals tangent, I know that's verified. OK? You got to be kidding me. How